How to uninstall KB5094126 in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, installing security updates is one of the best practices, but in case you encounter any problem, you can uninstall it. Follow the steps to uninstall KB5094126. The first method is using Settings app. Click on Start. Click on Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Update History, scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Here is KB5094126. Simply click on Uninstall and again click on Uninstall on the confirmation pop-up. Your computer will restart a couple of times and the update will be uninstalled. If you can't find this update in the Settings app, then you can use command prompt. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. You will find this command in the video description. Copy the command from there and paste into the command prompt. Hit enter. Do you want to uninstall the following Windows software update? Security update for Microsoft Windows KB5094126. Click on Yes. Your computer will restart a couple of times and the update will be removed from your Windows. If any methods don't work, then you can perform system restore. Click on Search, type Restore, click on Create a Restore Point, click on System Restore, select Choose a different restore point and click on Next. Here are restore points. Look for the date and time previous to the installation of the Windows update KB5094126. If found, select it and then click on Next. Click on Finish. Click on Yes. Your computer will take some minutes and the system will be restored to the point where the Windows update was not installed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.